Welcome to the Resource Consumption Accounting Introduction Series, Part 1B. This presentation is the second in the series. However, its purpose is not to describe resource consumption accounting, but rather to explain the mission, purpose, and activities of the Resource Consumption Accounting Institute in creating a solid foundation for the practice and growth of RCA. This presentation takes about 7 minutes. I'm Larry White, the Executive Director of the RCA Institute. Additional webcasts will focus on providing more technical information on resource consumption accounting as a management accounting approach. The purpose of the Resource Consumption Accounting Institute is to improve management accounting knowledge and practice by focusing on the principles and techniques for providing information to managers and employees for decision support as they seek to optimize their enterprise. Our focus is not on external financial reporting or generally accepted accounting principles. While RCA produces all the information needed to meet those requirements, we see the greater challenge as building value inside your company, and expertise in management accounting is a much rarer commodity. The Institute seeks to build a highly structured and disciplined community around the practice of RCA and with a standard body of knowledge and standards of practice. Why? Because all of the founders of the Institute watched firsthand the free-for-all around activity-based costing and the marginal quality of many implementations. We have no desire to see RCA practiced with such wide quality variations. The Institute's initial goal is to create a community of 150 to 200 highly knowledgeable and certified practitioners, which we believe will be a tipping point to ensure large-scale use of RCA with high quality. The Institute was established to create a professional structure around RCA to minimize risk to RCA adopters. To those ends, the RCA Institute is a not-for-profit entity providing training and services that reduce an RCA adopter's risk, like certification and assurance services. As the practice of RCA grows, the Institute will support governance of the practice and additional research into the use and success of RCA. Naturally, the RCA Institute has an advocacy role to create awareness of RCA and solid management accounting practices. The market for management accounting solutions is challenging. Method-centric approaches and thinking have dominated management accounting. These methods have not consistently delivered the benefits of sustained operational decision support information. Methods have applied basic principles inconsistently, providing contradictory answers to business problems. Because of the hype and noise and general lack of consistent success, manager confusion and indifference to new developments in management accounting is at an all-time high. University-level education in management accounting is diminishing. Most MBA curriculum no longer require a management accounting course. More emphasis than ever is being placed on financial accounting, which is by definition focused on providing information to investors and creditors in the form of externally focused GAAP financial statements. The confusion around management accounting approaches and methods, the lack of clear success, and the low level of knowledge have made investment in new management accounting systems a high-risk venture for most companies. The RCA Institute provides a structure for RCA that parallels the structure of financial accounting, a model familiar to people in finance and most professionals. The Institute provides membership, certification, exploratory workshops, because we want people to be sure RCA is the solution for them. Implementation review services so that an adopter can go to an impartial source for verification and validation of their implementer's efforts. And adopter internal use reviews, which, like audits, exist so that senior management can periodically assess the state of their RCA model and the skills of the people who operate it. I want to highlight a few services. Exploratory services are critical because the Institute wants companies to be successful with RCA and value it as their primary decision support tool. This series of workshops is designed to walk a company through a small RCA model and allow them to see if it provides what they need. The RCA Institute does not offer full implementations, but we believe it is currently in the adopter's best interest for the Institute to support these educational exploratory workshops and assist with the decision to proceed with an RCA implementation. The Institute training courses are primarily focused on practitioner certification. The first three groups of courses lead to certification along with practical case examinations and experience. The fourth group is focused on training users of RCA information who will be making decisions with it. I hope this presentation has explained the purpose, objectives, activities, and the value of the RCA Institute. Further webcasts will focus on technical knowledge to use RCA. Please don't hesitate to contact me via direct email, the website, or by phone with any questions on the RCA Institute or the practice of resource consumption accounting. Thank you.